Al Capone, widely known as one of the most notorious gangsters of the Prohibition era, surprised many with his unexpected act of charity in the form of a soup kitchen. Renowned for his involvement in organized crime, Capone's philanthropic endeavor stands out as a unique chapter in his controversial life. This video will delve into the fascinating story behind Al Capone's soup kitchen, its purpose, and its enduring impact on the community. The context. During the 1920s, America faced the devastating effects of the Great Depression. The economic downturn left millions of Americans unemployed and homeless, struggling to feed themselves and their families. Public services were lacking, and existing soup kitchens were often overcrowded and unable to meet the growing demand. It is within this bleak atmosphere that Al Capone's surprising act of charity surfaced. Al Capone's soup kitchen. In 1930, Al Capone decided to address the dire situation by establishing a soup kitchen in Chicago. Located at 935 South State Street, it was open 7 days a week and offered free meals to the needy. Capone's intention was to provide food and basic necessities to those hit hardest by the economic crisis. Despite his criminal reputation, the soup kitchen became a symbol of hope for the struggling residents of Chicago. Al Capone's soup kitchen was no ordinary establishment. It offered an array of services beyond providing meals. Alongside the nutritious food, visitors could access hot showers, clothing, and even haircuts, all of which were necessities not easily attainable for many during those tough times. Capone's generosity extended beyond merely feeding the hungry, as he sought to restore dignity and self-esteem to those affected by the Depression. Community impact. The soup kitchen operated for 4 years, during which it fed countless individuals each day. It is estimated that Capone's charitable endeavor served around 2,000 meals per day, totaling over 120,000 meals annually. Local businesses and Capone's friends donated food, money, and resources to support the initiative, ensuring its sustainability and reach within the community. While some may view this act as a way for Capone to improve his public image or gain favor, the sheer scale of his efforts and the positive impact on the lives of many cannot be denied. For those struggling in the depths of poverty, the soup kitchen provided a glimmer of hope, showing that kindness can emanate from unexpected sources. Legacy. Al Capone's soup kitchen closed its doors in 1933 when Prohibition ended and the economy began to recover. However, its significance lives on. Capone's act of charity sheds light on the complexities of human nature and challenges our preconceived notions of individuals involved in criminal activities. His soup kitchen serves as a reminder that genuine acts of compassion and charity can emerge from unexpected places, even amidst the darkest of circumstances. Conclusion. Al Capone's soup kitchen remains a captivating chapter in the life of this notorious gangster. When faced with the hardships of the Great Depression, Capone displayed a rare act of generosity by providing free meals and essential services to the struggling residents of Chicago. Despite his controversial reputation, his soup kitchen became a symbol of hope and empathy during a time of desperate need. Al Capone's legacy, while certainly multifaceted, includes this commendable endeavor that reminds us of the transformative potential of compassion, even amid the most unlikely circumstances.